Alajam Engineering and HVAC Systems is a reputable company specializing in HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning solutions. Our mission is to provide high-quality products and services to meet the diverse needs of our clients. Our expertise: HVAC systems design. We excel in designing efficient and effective HVAC systems for various applications. Our team of experts ensures that each design meets industry standards and optimizes energy usage. Manufacturing facilities. We produce a wide range of HVAC equipment, including air conditioners, heaters, coolers, and ventilation systems. Our manufacturing processes adhere to strict quality control measures, ensuring reliable and durable products.
Installation service.
Our skilled technicians handle HVAC system installations with precision. Whether it's a residential, commercial, or industrial project, we ensure seamless installation and proper functioning. We consider factors such as space, load requirements, and energy efficiency during installation. Product range. Alajam offers a diverse product portfolio. Fixed-room airboxes, designed for specific room sizes and applications. Cool-warm tube products, efficient temperature regulation for comfort. Cooling room duct products, customizable ductwork for efficient cooling. Electric plate products, energy-efficient heating solutions. Wet products, humidity control and cooling. Heat-cool